Hi, I'm Adam from Machinery Direct. This is our AL20. This is our smaller articulated loader, around 1 metre wide. Very handy for people with horse property, people wanting to use a bucket for landscaping, for example, forks. A 22 horsepower diesel, a 3-cylinder engine, hydrostatic, all joystick control. Package pricing if you're looking for extra attachments, like this one, for example, is fitted with a mower. Again, they all come with the 4-in-1 bucket as standard, and then we can add on attachments to suit. A dingo, kanga, compatible hitch, so hundreds of attachments to suit these machines. Very easy to drive, very easy to operate. The advantage of this size machine being reasonably narrow, you can get it through farm gates, stables, if you need to access down the sides of properties. You're not standing on the back of a machine, you're sitting down, you're not fatigued, as opposed to standing and hanging on. Servicing on these, very simple. Just remove the rear cover. Everything can be accessed from the back and side. External air filter on these. Forward reverse pedal, joystick to operate your burn steering wheel, as you can see. They are very easy to drive. And thank you very much for taking a look at our AL20. And if you're interested or you'd like more pricing or specifications, just click inquire below.